Day 2 on Dirty Dirt Mud Warrior? What did we call it? I don't remember. Whatever. Let's keep ripping this thing apart. Maybe I'll get the box off, doors off, stuff off. I don't know. Headlights might still be salvageable. No, not that one. That one's broken. I don't know if anybody wants to buy that stuff anyways.
I'm going to take the tonneau cover off because that's actually worth some money still. Off you come, little princess. There we go. You know, it's a better idea if I put this back on. Come on. And I take the bolts out first. That way it's not going to fall on me. Let's try that idea. Oh, look, wrong size. That's why I brought more than one size. That's the right size. If you care, it's a 14 mil or a 9/16. Okay, now we will take this thing apart. Whoa. So, first the closet, and then I can take out the clips. Off you come. Come on. The other one is over here. Oh, I just realized I got my shirt all dirty now.
Oh, dirty shirt syndrome.
Oof. Careful, you might see my butt.
Yeah, if this thing's all aluminum, I'm surprised at how heavy it is. How is it still attached?
Oh, there's screws in there. Let me go get a screwdriver.
There we go. This is actually a pretty nice unit. Tonneau cover for sale. Anybody want to buy it? Hot tip for you if you're ever deconstructing scrap vehicles. Cut these things off. These are super handy to have. You use them all over the place when you're putting other stuff together and you need lights to work. And then you don't have to buy sockets. I don't know if I've ever bought a light socket because I have like a whole massive drawer full of them because they're super valuable to me. Like one of these things, if you go to buy it in a store, it's like 10 bucks. So essentially right there, I got 60 bucks. Essentially. Let's go with 50 bucks because they're clearly used. There you go. Mastercraft, you're stupid for putting these stupid laser etched markings on the socket. You can't see what size they are ever. That creams my corn. Now that I've had my say on that one, let's get dirty. Bumper removal 101. Find a tree and a chain. Make sure that chain doesn't snap and come through the window and break your neck off. Here we go. That's a pretty strong bumper. I mean, it's supposed to be strong, I guess. Come on. There we go. It's coming off this time. best way to remove a bumper. Fairly impressed with the bumper removal technique. They're like dented the box. Look at that. There's some quality structural material left in this puppy. Woo doggy! I need to remove the fuel filler. As a safety precaution, I've put every extension I own together. We shall now remove it. I want to keep a safe distance as to not harm myself. Oh, I just broke that bolt. Amazing that I broke a bolt doing this. How is that possible? This is the most awkward thing ever. I've always wanted to put every extension together, and I have, but clearly this is ridiculous. Yep. Look at that arch. That's like almost 180 degrees there. If you ever need to do the old wraparound, just get every extension that you have. However, I have no weight. Nope. I'm gonna give up soon because this is a waste of time. Wow. How tall? That's a... let's go with an 8-foot extension. Doesn't work. But look at that. That's impressive. Cool. I almost wonder if I should wear a helmet, but I don't care to go get one because it's all the way over there and I'm too excited. Here we go. Bed removal 101. Chains are better than wrenches because it gets their job done faster. So, it's gonna have bungee cords holding stuff together, like the battery. I don't know who designed that. The battery is mounted on the splash shield. Okay. The rest of this, you know, you use wires to tie things up so they don't touch each other. ABS is... That's a quality bungee strap there. Box is gone. We got all these parts lying around. Box and bumper are over there. Rip that off tonight. The old spare tire tube. Man, this thing might be putting my Toyota frame over there in challenge for a rust battle. I don't think it's beating it for rust yet, but whatever. Trust the old race truck now. That thing looks much better without a box on it. Tomorrow's another day. We're going to get some more stuff done tomorrow. We'll start welding some things on it, maybe, if we get that far. I don't know what we'll do. We'll see. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Like. We're on Facebook. We're on Instagram. Epic Industries. We're all over the place. EpicIndustries.com. We even have a website. Go check it out. Thanks for watching.